Hi, welcome to my channel. I just got this in the mail. This is a Charisma wig, the deep side part burgundy one. Anyway, I haven't even taken her out of the packaging yet, so I'm so excited to jump over to my studio and show you guys this wig. And I'm back, and again, I've got this Charisma wig. You can see it in the light. Oh, that's pretty. I'm really excited about this one. I have wanted a Charisma wig for such a long time, and I saw this girl, and I thought, you know what? Let's just scoop her up. I got her off of Amazon, and I will post a link to her in the description down below. Opening this bag, again, I have not seen her really yet. She comes with a wig cap, which I don't really wear those. Okay, and she also comes with these instructions. I've seen a lot of other reviewers do Charisma wigs, so I didn't know that that was a thing. But this girl, I looked in here, and she actually comes in this little case. Now, I don't know that I'm going to store her in there because I actually hang my wigs on my wig wall. Ever since I watched Schitt's Creek, I decided that I needed a wig wall like Moira Rose, baby. And so that's what I got. Anyway, so this girl is a Charisma Ombre Burgundy side deep parting. She's a bob. She is a lace front L-shaped wig with a 4-inch parting. It says she's got an average wig cap of 22.5, which that'd be great because I'm a 22.5. So here she is. It also says that she's 150% density and that she's heat safe up to 320 degrees. So let's take the netting off. And let's see. Oh, yep, she does. She's got her lace right on there. Oh, she's cute. Look, can you see? She's burgundy. And the picture showed that she had like this stripe. And I do see that. There it is. That one stripe right down the right-hand side. All right, let's see what she looks like on the inside. She does have 2 very tiny combs, one on the left and right in the front. She has a comb in the back, and she does come with those adjustable straps. So that's good. All right, let's get this girl on my head and see what she does. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Ooh-wee. I am getting some, oh, she's snug. Oh, she fits just about right, though. Oh my God. Let me get her. She does cover, yeah, she covers all my, hair line, basically. She's a little, okay, so she fits great there. We pull her down. Come on, Charisma wig. All right, so that is what she's looking like with the lace on. You guys. Oh, she's got some filler fibers. Uh-oh. Oh, no, if I like filler fibers. But she's got a poof. You know, it's actually not terrible. It's not translating that terrible. I might leave the filler fibers because this side is very flat. She's a snug girl. She's fitting me pretty snug. She is designed for a 22.5 inch, and that's about all the stretch you're going to get out of her head. So she fits. She feels really nice. I don't think I'm going to have to glue this girl down. I think she is just going to fit right on my head. Does she have baby hair? Not really. But, you know, I may not even bother plucking her because let me show you this. She's got a little widow's peak. I have a little widow's peak and she fits right where my widow's peak goes. I have really low edges, you guys. Like, no kidding. Like, my edges are so low, they almost touch my eyebrow. And like most people have a forehead, you know, where they've got 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. I mean, I know it means it's the forefront of your face. Like, I'm not, I know that. But I really only can get about 2.5 fingers between, see, there, and ooh, you're in my hair already. So I don't have a very wide forehead. I have a very short forehead. So things look weird on me, but oh my gosh. You guys. Okay. I am going to go off camera quick a second and I am going to cut this lace off of here. And I'm back. Let's get her back on my head. Oh, she's so cute, you guys. The pros, she's cute. She is. She's going to be a fun one just to wear whenever I'm feeling a little bit spicy, whenever I'm feeling like, I just want to have some burgundy. I just want to have a burgundy bob. And I can wear her out when I'm feeling those feels. Let's see. Do I recommend her? You know what? You only live once. She's not terribly made. If you have a big head, she's going to be a little tight. She's going to push the boundaries of what you consider personal space here. She's shifting back on my head. She probably is going to have to be worn with a wig cap or a wig grip. I'm sorry. Yeah. So, she wasn't that expensive. Again, I'll post that information down in the comments or in the description box below. If you're just looking for a fun wig, she'd probably be all right. I'm probably going to actually take her over to my wig stand and pluck her a little bit more, widen her part out a little bit, maybe do something about this over here and maybe shape that a little bit. I can't do much with it because it is sitting right on the edge of my hairline, but she's cute. I'll do a side in the back. Okay, and the other side. All right, and there you have her, the Charisma Burgundy wig with that, I don't know where it went, oh there it is, with that stripe on the side. Okay, so if there's another wig you would like me to review, please write it down in the comment section below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit that like and subscribe and that notification bell so that you're alerted when I do post more videos like this, which is going to be very, very soon. Okay? Bye!